Hello everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ, and I'm here to talk to you about something a little different today. This new series of products comes from Accu-Cable, which is ADJ's brand of professional grade cable and management systems. I'd like to welcome you to the Power Bone series. Now, these unique solutions here really kind of came from a need that we have found from our users where they need a cable management system, maybe at front of house, where now we have got lighting control consoles, we've got video control, we've got all kinds of things happening at front of house, and of course we've got to charge our phones. But then there's also cable management systems that you need on the truss rig itself to be able to mount to the truss to keep your cables clean for those corporate events, or be able to hide them in scenarios where the cable is just a little bit unsightly. And these are going to offer you some very unique solutions on how to do that. So again, guys, this is the Power Bone series. Now let's talk about some of the specs. So I'm going to talk about some of the similarities between the three products first. First, they both feature two USB charging ports. One of them is a 1.3 amp, the other is a 2.1 amp, which again, that will allow you to fast charge most of your iPads or any other tablets or phones that you might need to charge at front of house, or even other devices that are using USB style power connections as well. Another unique feature that they all share is your power in and through. We use a Seetronic locking IP65 power in and through for all three units. That makes life a lot easier for you when you're doing your cable management. You could go in with that cable, come out with that cable into another unit, or in a scenario where you need to come out of a lighting fixture and into one of these, you can do that as well. The third similarity that they have is on the back, they all come with an Omega bracket system, which will make life really, really easy for you if you're mounting this on any of your truss fixtures. Now currently there are three units within the Power Bone series, so let's go over those. So here we have the T1T1, which again is going to have an IP65 locking power in and through, as well as 4 additional outputs. Here we have the T1PC, which again, locking IP65 power in and through, but you will see 4 PowerCon outputs on this unit. And finally, we have the T1ED, which again, IP65 locking power in and through, as well as 4 Edison outputs. This one would probably work really great at front of house. Now, the power draw limit on all of this is going to be 15 amps, so keep that in mind when you're deciding how many of these you need to daisy chain together or how many different fixtures you're plugging into this. But in all, guys, we think this is going to be a very unique, creative solution to managing your cables and making life easier at front of house. And again, this is Mike Turner, and this is the new Power Bone series from Accu-Cable.